Let me share the link to the Telegram. Let's get the likes to 2,000. Once we are at 2,000 likes, then we can get started with the analysis. Let's double tap on our screen, guys. Welcome back to everybody who's just joining. Hope you guys are doing great. We're back here live to analyze, trade, and learn. Let's get the likes up to 2,000 so we can get started with the analysis. Okay. Okay, so let's tap on our screen, guys. Those who are watching on YouTube, please get the video to 10 likes. Hit the thumbs up button, please. Let's get the likes up. I'm gonna get started right away. Just give me a few minutes. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 10,000, even as you're listening in. Okay, so let me get started with the analysis now. Let's get started. We'll start off by looking at gold, and then we'll look at other things, okay, like Bitcoin, GBP USD, and Euro USD, and everything. Okay, so let's get started with gold here. Let's just go to the 1 hour time frame quickly to just see what's going on here. Map out the zones for quick trading opportunity right now. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame. Currently zooming out, and we can see gold on the 1 hour time frame here has been in an uptrend for quite a while, and previous high is up here at 27.58. That's the highest that it gone. It went to, and then from there it started crashing down, and then we ended up breaking below this low in this uptrend 27.38, which was a super important low to not break in order for this uptrend to continue. So unfortunately it broke below that low. So yeah, so now I'm anticipating a further downward movement in the price of gold as a result. Okay, it could most likely even drop all the way down to 26.85, because that's where the next major support is on the daily time frame. That's the support. Yeah, that's the support on the daily time frame. So there's a chance we could even drop all the way down. So I think this is a reversal back to that support before the price continue the uptrend that it's currently in on the daily time frame. Because on the daily time frame we are still in an uptrend. The uptrend has not yet ended. For the uptrend to be over on the uptrend to be over on the daily time frame, gold will have to break below 26. Okay. So good areas to look for buying opportunities will be around 26.85 if you're looking for swing trading, and 26.85 is an area to look for buy. 26.33, so anywhere between 26.5 and 26.31 if the price find support. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, so like I said, daily time frame, we are uptrend, and then support is 26.85 up to 26.31. Okay, that's where the current is, and gold is most likely gonna head there. Now let's go back to the which pairs are small Forex for growing a small account. I recommend trading GBP USD, Euro USD, those kind of USD JPY. Those are better small. Okay. Yeah, so we broke below this support, price didn't hold it, and now currently we have a minor support here, 27, 29, which the price may hold to push back up. Okay, now because we broke below this low here of 27.38, okay, that is now our resistance. So we want to look to sell gold when if it pushes back up to 27.38. You know, if it pushes back to that level, that is a really good area to enter a sell. So between 27.38 and 27.38 and 27.46, those are all good areas to enter a sell, with the stop loss being at 27.53. Okay, so 53, 54, that's where you would have to set your stop loss. But for now, it looks like gold is not even attempting to even go back to do a retest on that resistance. So if it doesn't do that, then that's fine. It looks like it's approaching the next support here, which is at 27, 23. There we have some support, 27.23, 27.14. This is a support, so I wonder if gold is gonna use it to actually bounce back up. So let's see if that's gonna happen. I'm gonna switch over to the 1 minute time frame to see. Okay, so let's look for buying opportunity around the 27.23. If the support holds, we can use that to place a buy, and even the next buy you can enter at 27.14. Price comes into it, holds that. Okay, and yeah, so other than that, markup another pretty here, 2700 as well. This is all bearish move that good current. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Listening in. Let's tap on the screen. Let's get up 10,000. Please double screen. And if you're just joining the live, you're welcome. Here, what I'm doing is I'm gold. I do this pretty much from live. I for you guys. Also do take trades. If I see a good trading opportunity, I'll take it here. And this is to educate you guys, you know, show you guys how everything works, from placing the trades and everything works. This is a great place to learn if you're a beginner. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get more information, signals. Okay, the link to the Telegram group is on my TikTok bio. Okay, so yeah, so the buy is around 27, 23, between 27.23 and 27.14. If price is able to hold that support, we can place a buy around there. Okay, but right now we are better, it's safer to even be selling instead of even buying, because the market is like it seems like the bears are in control, and as a result of that, you want to be trading in that direction, right? Trade with that direction. Since we are bearish now, we want to look to sell. Okay, and as of right now, the best areas to sell is around 27.38, 740, 44, 45, 46. Okay, that is our previous low here. The price just broke low, so because it broke below it, that turns into that turns into resistance. I just mark it down. I have this support here, 2729, which looks like price actually didn't hold that, didn't hold it up. It broke below it, so I'm gonna delete that. That's no longer needed. I'm gonna just quickly look at all the other time frames to see if we have any other resistance along the way other than 2738. Okay, 2738. Let's see. I have this 7331. Let's get the likes up. If you're just joining, make sure to join the Telegram group. This is where you can get more signals and more knowledge for free. Link to the Telegram group, it's in the TikTok bio, so just bio and join the group. Okay, so we have a resistance here at 2731, 2741. Okay, between 2731 and 214. Okay, so if the price retraces there, that could be a good area to enter. So then have the stop loss. Have the stop loss above, slightly above 746. Okay, so we'll just wait. Let's see what the price will do when it's getting to 2723. If it holds its support, we can enter, click buy. Okay, and then if it pulls back up to 2738, that will be a good area to sell. And then this one, instances. So there's nothing. This is our most recent instance that we have 279, but I'm not gonna mark that for now. Okay, let's just focus on the most recent, the current instance. So that's gold. So we know that we are we are basically now bearish officially on the 1 hour time frame, and we want to look to enter sales every time price pushes back up to a resistance, and our current resistance is sitting around 273 31 and 2741. Okay, so that's our current resistance, so we can enter sell around this level if price pushes back to it, and then yeah, that's what we'll do for now, and then we enter buy around 2723 if price holds support. Okay, and yeah, in the long term, I think gold is gonna make its way down. I think it's making its way all the way down to 2685. I think this is what it's gonna do, because this uptrend on the 1 hour time frame is technically over. So yeah, that's a sign that we'll most likely come back down to go and retest 2685, which was high on the daily time frame that it broke above, and it never did a retest that high ever since it broke it never did any sort of retest there. So there's a pretty high chance that that's where it's heading. Okay, so that's gold, and I'm gonna just keep watching it while we analyze something else. Next on the list is gonna be Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin, see what's going on in the world of, let's see what's, so I'm checking out Bitcoin right now. Okay. Um, okay. So Bitcoin currently 66,750. That's the current. See what is the market structure Bitcoin on this is the daily time frame that I'm looking at, by the way. The market structure seems to be an uptrend here on the daily time. Very minor uptrend that the price started being higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so that is the uptrend, and we broke above this high 66,500. We broke above it. So very important level now to keep an eye on is 59,000. Okay, for the uptrend here, this is a good level price has to hold in order to keep pushing higher. If we break below 59,000, then we're gonna down. Now 66,000 is our current support for Bitcoin to push back up. Okay, that's a good area for the price to push back up, and as it has already tapped into that level a few times. We can see the previous daily candle closed bullish at that support. Now the next candle is currently bearish, so but yeah, this is a good area to enter buy there. So 66,000, 66,500. That is a good level. So you should be looking for buying opportunities, at least on the daily time frame. If you're trying to swing Bitcoin, it's currently at a good area to be buying. And then the stop loss will have to be below 61,000, and that's quite huge. Okay, this is only if you're swing trading. Okay, so that's what's happening with Bitcoin, and then it got rejected at 69,670. That's the current major resistance there for Bitcoin, 69,100. If I zoom out, we can see this is an area where it got rejected in the past as well. So that formed this. There's a high chance, okay, because of this formation of a double top here on the daily time frame. There's a high chance that Bitcoin could even fall further down to 53 actually. Okay, because this is a formation of a double. This is a right here. Okay, and this is bearish, and usually price when it forms this type of a pattern, it falls all the way down to the neckline, and the neckline for Bitcoin is sitting down to 50, like literally all the way down to 9,000. Okay, so there's a high chance Bitcoin could even crash all the way down to this level as a result of the pattern. It may not do that right away. It may just make its way slowly down. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 4-hour and just see what is going on. Thank you so much, Suffer. Moving forward, thank you for the gifts, really appreciate it. All right, so I'm looking at Bitcoin here, okay, on the 4-hour time frame to just get better, like more clarity on price action. So on the 4-hour, we can see an uptrend here. Price was respecting it, doing good job. Okay, broke above this high, so this turned into a support here, and actually it ended up finding resistance down here. Okay, that was the high where Bitcoin actually failed to break. Okay, it failed to break that high over there. That's 69,000. So our support here, main support here, is actually at 66,000. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm looking at the lower time frame for us to determine what has happened, if the trend over here has ended or not, because usually if a trend on the lower time frame has ended, that's usually a sign that the price is heading down to major supports that's on the bigger time frames. Okay, so 4-hour time frame wasn't an uptrend here, and it looks like it broke below this critical support 66,700. Okay, we got a candle closing below that level. So at this point, this is this is actually not good. This is bearish. So we want to, okay, based on what the lower time frame is showing us, the Bitcoin price is now looking bearish. So you want to look to be selling Bitcoin, and a good area to sell is between 67,900 and 66,600, because this entire level here is the current resistance. Okay, like I told you, Bitcoin is looking bearish. Okay, there's a double top pattern print on the daily time frame, so that's bearish. There's high chance that it's gonna keep going further down. Okay, so just be in the sell side as long as Bitcoin is below 67,900. I don't think it's going to be able to pull. But if it breaks above 67,000, let's say 68, if it breaks above, we get like a 1 hour or 4 hour candle closing above 68,000, then it will most likely be able to push higher. But until then, it is bearish and it's most likely going to keep going down lower and lower. So yeah, right now it's doing a retest because it broke that support here of 66,680, and currently this current candle is bullish. I think that's a retest. So wait for that retest to be completed. Okay, let's see on the, let's check out the 1 hour time frame, see what's going on. Still checking gold. There's no opportunity to buy gold yet. Okay, buy or sell, the market is not at that level. The levels that I'm keeping an eye on is 27.23 to buy gold, and price hasn't really tapped into that fully. It's like, to be more precise, it's 2723.30. Didn't tap into it yet. We're just gonna, okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, what is Bitcoin doing on the 1 hour time frame? You see here, even on the 1 hour time frame, it is bearish. Okay, it broke below this low, so that's the same low on the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, even on the 1 hour time frame here, it is pretty bearish. Current candle here is bullish, so we have resistance up here at 67,000. Okay, 67,000 is where the resistance is. So between 67,000 and 67,240. So this is I think this is a level where Bitcoin is most likely heading to, and if it gets rejected at this point, this could be a really good area to enter that sell. Okay, so it's best to wait. Let's give Bitcoin a chance to pull up. Yeah, let's give Bitcoin a chance to push up to this resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think before the price starts heading down further, it's gonna try to push up to this level here, 67,240. Good area to look for sell. When the price arrives here, wait to see a 1 hour bearish candle closing, and then once you see that, you can go ahead and enter a sell for Bitcoin and just set your stop loss above 60. Yeah, just set your stop loss like 68,000, say 200. Okay, 67,200. I set it slightly above. Yeah, so for now we're just gonna wait. It's not at this distance yet. The gold, I can see now it is it has tapped into our support, but now we just need to wait for confirmation that it's holding that support. If it's not holding, we're not even going to bother with buying. We just need first need that confirmation. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Take a look here at 67,246. That's where you want to enter sell, but only enter if you see 1 hour bearish candle closing at this resistance. Okay, All right. And if for Bitcoin to resume a bullish, resume the bullish trend, whatever, it has to break above 60. That's the only way it's going to be able to go. If it doesn't do that, then there's no way it's going. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at GBP/USD next. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 20,000. And if you're just joining the live, you're welcome. Right now we are analyzing, we just finished analyzing Bitcoin, and now we're about to analyze GBP/USD. This is what I do every time I on TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group. More information and more signals for free. Link is in the bio. Okay. GBP/USD. Let's start off by checking the time frame. Okay, so this is it. The 1 hour time frame. It is in a downtrend. It's been in a very, very long downtrend. Okay, quite a while, and downtrend does not look to be coming soon. Price just keeps new lows every time. Now we have currently price is sitting as support here. Support is at 1.2945, and when the price got to this support, it held it. Okay, so there's a chance we could actually back up. There's a very high chance that GBP/USD could even push back up. So what you want to do at this moment, wait for the current candle to close, the current candle here. Okay, we want to see not this candle to close bullish. Okay, if we can get this candle bullish, this could be a good sign to go ahead and place a buy on GBP/USD. Okay, gold is holding that support. It is at the support, and it is holding. Okay, so I'm gonna enter a small buy on gold here on abato.com. It's like they're small. Let's okay, so TP is at 2722. Okay, 272. Okay, so I opened the second entry below 2716, close it at 2720. Second position is still open, closing it around 2722. Yeah, so I entered the first buy at 27119. Second buy around 2716. Guys, the moment I said I'm entering a buy on gold, that's when you should have bought. Okay, with this this is not a, we're not setting a buy limit or anything. Okay, we're not setting limit orders. This is market execution. So we enter right away. When I say buy, like when I said I'm entering a buy now, that's when you should have entered. You don't have to be waiting, okay, because the price is going to get to the TP very quick, because we're trading with the 1 minute time frame. And only trade gold, by the way. If you don't have, if your account size is less than 100, please do not be trading gold. Only trade gold if you have an account size of 100 plus. Because gold is very volatile, and you cannot really manage your risk well with $100 account trading gold. Okay. So GBP USD, I'm seeing a lot of confirmations to enter a buy. Yeah, for GBP USD. Oh, oh my God. That actually. The gold is at the first take profit. I posted a signal on the VIP group. If you're in the VIP group and you're seeing this, you saw that signal, you can start taking profits now. The first take profit is at 2721, and gold is it's basically just almost there. So this is the first trade that I've taken so far on this live. Buy on gold, and then the next trade we see here I'm seeing is on GBP USD. So GBP USD is giving us also a buy, enter buy on GBP USD and target 129.84 as a take profit. Okay, so I'm gonna bring up the GBP USD chart here. So let's check GBP. Okay, so this is GBP USD currently sitting at support. Currently sitting at support right now. GBP USD, and it's holding that support. The support is between 5. Holding it. So if the current 1 hour candle closes bullish, you can enter a buy on GBP USD. And then the TPs, let me just write it down. Hmm. So this is GBP USD. This buy signal only activated if the current candle closes bullish. Then you can enter a buy. If it doesn't, don't enter a buy yet until we get a 1 hour bullish candlestick to close at this support. I mean, we got this one, but let's wait for the next one. Okay. So this is GBP USD. Okay. I'm gonna activate that trade very soon. And see. So TP1 just got hit. The VIP signal. Yep. So let's look at US 100. Actually, let's see Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is for. Wow, it didn't even pull back to. Looks like it's getting rejected right away. Good area to have to enter a set would have been up here at 67,000. Okay, but Bitcoin didn't even make it up. Area is starting to reverse from here. Okay. This whole zone between 66,600 and 67,900 is a whole resistance zone for Bitcoin. So for it to be getting rejected here is not even a surprise. I think this is a resistance for time frame, okay, where Bitcoin is currently getting rejected. So let's see the 30-minute. Yeah. So it is a resistance here. 30-minute time frame. It makes sense. It makes sense why we're getting rejected here because it's a 30-minute to resistance on the 30-minute time. It tapped into, got rejected, that's why it's coming down. So there's still a chance it could even push up 67,000. As long as we don't break below this current low here. Current low is at 60,000. If we don't break below it, then we still have that chance to test that 60,000 resistance. Okay. So there's no trading opportunities right now. Bitcoin. Let's check USD JPY. USD JPY has been moving crazy for the last couple days. It's been crazy, pushing up higher and higher and higher. Like, wow, very impressive. So now US JPY is currently 153. Currently 153, and the price sitting at approaching this resistance. On the daily time frame here, we have resistance at 155. It's actually not even close to it, but I think this is where we're getting. Okay, right now we have this resistance at 153.85. Okay, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. Price is literally tapping into resistance. I wonder if it's gonna get rejected. Look at how high it's been going. This is extremely crazy. Okay, so on the daily time frame, the last high that it broke above was at 150. That was technically be a good area to enter buy on the daily time frame, but look at how high it is. Okay, so I don't think it's coming back down to 150 anytime soon. Okay, this is a very strong up. Like it's going to go higher. The target is 153. 53.86. That's where it looks like it's heading, and this is also the resistance on the hour frame. I marked it. Here we go. So that's what's happening now. Let's see if we can join this buy. Okay, if we enter buy at this level, we're entering at a very low point, which is risky. Let's see. Support. USD is crazy. Yeah. So honestly, I don't even encourage entering a buy on USD It's just too risky. Price is just forming new highs after new highs, and at this point, you don't even know when it's gonna reverse. All of a sudden, so it can just literally reverse against you if you try to buy. So it's better we just let it keep going up. If it wants to keep going, let it keep doing its thing. The next major resistance is 153. Okay. Next major resistance is, so when it approaches that level and it gets rejected, that could be a good area to look for. Oh, thank you, Pips Academy, for the it is. So if you're like a risky trader and stuff, and you wanna still take the buy, the targets, that main resistance 95, then a good area for you to enter buy is around 152.77. Okay, 152.77, 152.61. This seems to be the next current support that we are seeing on the 30 time frame. Price pulls back down to this area and it holds it. It's bounce back. Okay, so you can look to buy around 7. Only do this if you want to take on the risk, okay, because it is a bit risky because top. Just keep that in mind. Add another support here, this one here, which price already tapped into. Use a different rectangle to map it out. Right here, tapped into that, push up, but I think it could even push. Okay, push down lower, back to this support 152. That's where I would look for USD JPY. Check GBP JPY, please. Sure, let me look at that. Let's see GBP USD. Anyways, previous candle didn't close, so now you're gonna need to wait for the next candle. Okay, the previous candle didn't close bullish, so now you need to wait for the next 1 hour candle. If it's closes bullish, buy. If it Bitcoin, of course, heading down. Not even gonna enter a sell yet, just because selling at the bottom, which is not really good. Okay, you don't want to be selling when the price is forming a new low. It's best to sell high, and the good area would have been around 67,000, which price didn't get to. So I'm hoping that when it returns, it looks like it's coming back down to 66,000. So I'm hoping when it gets there, it will hold that support and push back up to 67,000. Okay, so 67,000 could be a good area to enter a small buy for Bitcoin, counter trend that works. So if it holds that support 66,000 there, that could be an opportunity to buy. Can I re-enter the gold trade back as support? Yeah, whenever price can return at the support multiple times. Okay, and this can provide you with an opportunity to keep buying. If you didn't already have a open, you can enter a buy. So let me what was I going? Oh yeah, JPY. That's okay. So let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 30,000. I'm about to go on. Let me just quickly analyze this pair here, and then maybe US 100, and I can call it a day for you guys. Okay. So this pair here currently in an uptrend. I'm checking the time frame. It basically has the same move as BJPY. Sorry, as the same move as USD JPY. And oh, thank you for the roses again. Okay, and right now we have support. We have 1 hour support here. Price is currently tapping in it, approaching that support here. Okay, so this is support between 197.39, 197.88. Approaching it, and since it's in an uptrend, it means you want to look to buy, right? Now, for now, the best area to look to enter buy seems to be around 197.88 and 197.39. Okay, with the stop loss below 190. Stop loss below 197.04. That would be where you will have to set your stop loss if you're entering a buy within this zone here. Set your stop loss below this previous low here. Okay, that is 197.04. So yeah, this is it. It's coming down here. It's just a matter of waiting. I'm gonna just be patient. Wait for the price to tap to this area. Buying area number 1 is 188. Buying area number 2 is 197.42. Okay, so that's it. And then just target, well, you can target this previous high as your take profit number 1, because that's the current resistance here. You can target that, so that would be like 198.36, 198.43. If there's any other resistance, let's see this chart. Okay, so 199 will be our next level here. So 199.5 will be the next major resistance. Here, the daily. So after the price clears out current resistance here, yeah, after the price clears out the current resistance, which is a 198.41, the next resistance will be a 199. So this is where it's gonna be next. Yeah, so that's your analysis for USJPY. In terms of sales, yeah, you don't want to enter sell right now unless the price gives you a bearish pattern, a bearish bullish reversal pattern. Like it shows you a sign that it's about to go down. Okay, so one pattern you want to look for could be a double top. Okay, double top on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame is a good reversal pattern that tells you that the uptrend is coming to an end. Number one, another bearish pattern is the lower high. Okay, when the price forms a lower high, that is a reversal pattern there. And of course, if the price breaks below a previous higher low, okay, previous higher low break below that is also another good sign that the price is about to reverse. Okay, so this pair here hasn't printed any of those patterns, so you cannot be looking for, oh wow, gold is really dumping. Currently, it's actually just broke the 2711 SL, just broke that. So I'm already out of that second trade. The main trade, not second. The first trade that I enter is already out. Second and third trade is already out as well. So yeah, fortunately that's it. Since gold has broken below that support, I think it's to the next support. Let me bring up the gold. Gold is extremely bearish right now. Any buys is just, it's going to be going against this. It's crazy. Let's just focus on gold right now. See what. So it's at our next support now. See if it's going to hold that support. It's just clearing out. So basically what it's doing, it's clearing out all these highs, okay? All this moves here was just, it's all liquidity that gold is basically clearing out. Okay? All this moves here was very like weak. How do I say this? It was all like weak moves that gold was making, okay? And usually when the price makes this type of move, eventually it's going to come down to clear it all out, okay? And that's what it's doing. It's clearing it, and it goes all the way down. Wow, it's even very close to the main area to look for by 2685. That would be a very strong level to buy, okay? So yeah, let's give gold, let's let it do its thing. Right now we want to join the sell. So our previous area of resistance for the sell would have been 2731, 2741, but price is has broken way further down. So we're gonna see if there's any new resistance. Okay, no, there. Well, yeah. So our next best area to look for sell. Okay, we have a small 5. Thank you, Fred Doll. Okay, right here. So because the market is extremely bearish, we want to be selling, right? Best areas to look to sell now is between 27.17, 27.20. Okay, price pushes up to this area, gets rejected, sell. Okay, the whole zone here is sell. To break above this, I don't think that's gonna. Okay. So that's it for gold, guys. I'm gonna go off now. I'll be back again later tonight at p.m. Eastern time. Thank you everybody for joining this live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me, join the Telegram group, subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay connected. So you guys, see you guys around 10 p.m. Eastern time. And thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for those who followed. Thank you for those who liked. I really didn't enjoy. Yeah, today was not good. Yeah, market did not do us good, but hopefully later tonight it's gonna be a better experience. Okay, so guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now. And remember, right now you want to be selling gold, and resistance is between 2717 2720. The price gets in and gets rejected, go ahead and enter your sell. Bye for now. And those who are watching on YouTube, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and then give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching later on, hit the thumbs up button and also join the Telegram group. The link is below the description of this video. I'll see you guys later around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, bye for now.